Tina Girl Life, and today I'm just going to show you how to make a super simple lemonade for summer. And lemonade is like one of those staples that you need to have as a summer drink on your table. And if you're buying those big containers from Costco or from your grocery store with the powdered stuff, you don't need to do that. It's super simple. Now, I went to Costco the other day and I just bought a 2-pack actually of lemon juice. And I'm going to show you how simple it is to make this. So we're going to start out, actually, I'm going to use this container here, which is a 1-gallon Tupperware container. Probably half of North America has one of these. And you could also mix this actually in a milk jug, like a cleaned out milk jug is the same, it's a gallon size, or if you have a nice big container like this. So we're going to start out with adding our sugar. So the recipe for this size, you would use about a cup of sugar. You can really adjust this, but I am going to use the 1 cup of sugar for this one. But you could start with half a cup or a quarter cup. Quarter cup might be a little too little, but maybe 2/3 of a cup of sugar you might want to try. And the trick is to dissolve the sugar. So I actually just pre-boiled some water, and I'm just going to cover my sugar with the boiled water and give it a stir. Just use a tablespoon. I'm just mixing it around until that sugar dissolves. And that's looking pretty good. And I'm going to open up my lemon juice. Now, you might have a lemon tree in your backyard or have access to lots and lots of lemons, and you definitely could make this with fresh lemon juice. And but you know what, I just need to make this quickly. I don't have time to squeeze out every lemon and deal with all of that, so I'm just using 1 cup of real lemon juice. We're trying to make this quick and easy and an alternative to using the powdered stuff, so that's why I'm doing this. But of course, there's lots of different methods that you can use. Okay, so even that lemon juice has cooled that liquid down quite a bit now, and I'm going to add about 8 cups of ice cubes. And then I'm going to add water. I'll be right back. Okay, and then we just add water to fill it up. Perfect. Now you can serve it right out of this container, no problem. But I'm going to show you a couple of other ways to serve this. I bought these beautiful bottles with these little snap-on tops. And you can just put them in the fridge like that and serve them on your table. They would be so beautiful. The other thing I do, and I know this may sound a little crazy, my kids think I'm nuts, but it actually saves me money because sometimes I like to have that to-go cup. So I actually buy to-go cup coffee cups, and I buy a to-go cup, well, I'll show you. I actually buy these sleeves of cups that are disposable plastic cups. Now, these, believe it or not, are actually compostable cups. I buy them actually at my local restaurant supplier, which is awesome to be able to have on hand. And I can buy the lids as well. And they're compostable as well, so I don't feel so bad. But you know what? When you're just going out for the day to the beach, you can make yourself a nice cup of a nice drink to take with you. Pop your straw in it, and there you go. This is going to be for my table tonight. And I can add more ice to that later, but just to make it look a little nicer, I'm going to take my I'm going to take my beautiful lemon. And so I already gave this lemon a wash. Move some of this stuff out of the way so you can see what I'm doing. And I'm just going to add it to my juice container, my beautiful lemonade. And it just looks so pretty. Slide those down the side. And you've got a beautiful container of lemonade that looks delicious. Let's fill these beautiful bottles. You'll probably need something like this, a funnel, and just go slow. It's gonna be so pretty. This would be pretty much impossible if I didn't have a funnel, so pop down to the dollar store and get one if you don't have one. Super beautiful. Thanks for watching Tinagirl Life today. I hope you enjoyed my simple recipe for making homemade lemonade. And hey, if you could subscribe to my channel, I'd really appreciate that. Give my video a thumbs up. Let me know your variation of making lemonade.